It's a very windy day. So what's changed since I last rode the bike? We fitted a shad top box and bracket on the back, which is very sturdy. Big cruise ship in today. I've been tasked with putting fuel in it because my son seems to be too lazy to do that anymore. So I'm going to take it for a little ride, because why not? It's done almost 1800 miles now, and I can tell as he's never reset it. It's averaging 127.7 miles to the gallon, which is an absolute bargain. I mean, it took me less than £10 to fill it up just now, and it was down onto his last bar. So it's a very little frugal thing. Oh, did you feel it a bit on the cobbles? I love riding this bike. So let's see what the start-stop technology is like. Pulled over at the lights, the bike is cut out. You can see the green light flashing there. There we go, let's give it a twist, see how quickly we go. There we go. Almost instant. That's very good. Let's see what it's like on cobbles. Fucking hell. Quite bouncy is the answer to that. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Yeah, this is not a very comfortable place to be on this kind of road surface. Oh, it's tarmac, thank God. Right, good. That was an absolutely terrible experience on cobbles, even at those low speeds. Shit, more. Oh, well, normal tarmac service. Thing is absolutely smooth as anything. And then you hit speed bumps. Cruising around is an absolute joy on this little thing. It's so light and effortless. Oh, fucking hell. Although it doesn't like speed bumps either. Put my visor out, which just fell down. There's not much you can say about this bike really. It does everything you expect a little 125 to do, and very, very economical. So far it's been super reliable for the bike. Never had an issue with it. Although the fuel cap sometimes it's quite hard to open. You have to kind of put your credit card beside it just to give it a little nudge, just to kind of make it to work a little bit. Apparently that's a bit of a design flaw, but you can put an elastic band around the catch. It should hold it, but it's not an issue. Got my legs in the fully stretched out position here. The seat hump, I wish it was a little bit further back. It's a little bit too forward for me with my legs like this anyway, but I'm quite tall, so someone a bit smaller would probably be amazingly comfortable. Little CRF, and it's just so responsive with the steering, and there's nothing to it. Brakes are really good, even though there's a drum brake on the back. I don't think you really recognise that difference. Try a quick brake now. It's just very good brakes. Right, and now we're going to see some of the advantages of having a little scooter when you live in the city. It's what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, traffic is as busy as it gets. I'm going to try some filtering and then manoeuvring about. And then we're going to check out our high speed run somewhere, see how stable it is in high traffic. Not forgetting you can use bus lanes in most cities as well. So if you're watching this, wondering whether this is the kind of bike you want, you're living in the city, there's some good there 125s, and reliability wise, you are going to want to stick with your Honda, and maybe with the Korean types, I'm not sure. But I mean, these sell so well, there's a reason they sell well, they're very well built, very reliable, economical and everything. The motor's really good as well, so we should try it a bit. Put it onto a fast road and see how we go. The handles are normally around town, lugging it around. Now we're going to send it down a 40-mile-an-hour road, see how the bike handles, how it feels. After that we'll be onto a national speed limit. That's really good. Well, there's going to be some wind noise now because I don't have any protection here on this, so I'm making it clip short. 40 miles an hour is absolutely effortless on the bike. Very smooth and comfortable place to be sat, even at these speeds. Filtering. So now we're approaching the A38 where we're going to be doing the national speed limit. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, so it's going to be very busy. So it's just about keeping with the flow of traffic really. Don't think we'll try and get a high speed running, although if I can I will. Right, so if you've got a lot of high speed riding on your commute through the city, this is now going to be an uphill on a national speed limit. So let's see how the little PCX does. Just concerned about keeping up with traffic, really. The mirror is very good, so I can get a good vision of what's coming. I'll say that because it's sure. And I'm looking to go. So now the lot out. So there we go, we got up to 70 miles an hour on a nice piece of flat. And we'd hold a good 68, 70 miles an hour quite happily, and I'm quite a big chap as well, so you know, you can expect to get 65 miles an hour all day long out of this bike. Probably get a little bit more downhill, but yes, it holds with traffic. It feels nice and steady as well. So that's a plus for the bike. So if you do have a bit of fast commuting along your way, nothing wrong with this at all. Holds its own very well. Oh, the sun is coming out as well. How lovely. So if you're thinking about getting one of these bikes, I would definitely recommend it. This one lives outdoors. It's not covered or anything. It's still in very good condition, almost a year on. It gets ridden, well, to work every day. I kind of look after it, so my son never cleaned it yet. I have to do it every single time and keep it in good order, but everything's looking good, no rust anywhere, good quality. That's a ride on a PCX around the city. No complaints at all. What a great little bike. Right, time to chill out. Thanks for watching. See you all later next time.